What is going on, guys? So today I want to try a different style of video. I just want to try like a discussion type. I just want to tell you guys some of the things I've learned about the YouTube algorithm in the past year. So if you don't know, I've had this channel for about a year now on YouTube. It's like a year and 4 months, let's say, and I've grown it from absolutely nothing to 488 subscribers, 12,000 views a month, which like by no means is a huge channel, but it's definitely progress for a year, and I am proud of it. So I just want to show you guys and talk about some things that I've learned. Number one, you might have like a point when you start off where you don't get like any subscribers or gain any views for a while. So for me, that was about 3 months, actually 3 to 4 months of just uploading videos, and I had 15 subscribers. It was all people I knew, and I wasn't getting any outside views. What happens is that as you keep uploading more and more, YouTube actually trusts you as a content creator and starts sending people your way. So by how it sends people your way, your videos might appear higher up on the search list. So like, let's say I search convert PDF to PowerPoint for free, mine might be number one now. I'm not sure, I don't check that anymore, but yeah, so my channel's more trusted because I'm constantly putting out content. What does that mean for the algorithm? Well, viewers will most likely subscribe and come back to that channel and watch more content. YouTube wants people on its platform as much as possible. So if you're constantly uploading, making new content, they're going to send people your way. It just makes sense. More ad watch time. That way YouTube makes its money from its ad sponsors and things like that. It just makes sense. So consistency is number one. Right now, my schedule I upload a video every other day, and I've been doing this for months now. And that just has given me constant growth because I'm trustworthy, and that just goes back into what I was mentioning before. Another little trick, actually, I want to show one thing first. So let me just show the lifetime of this video because this just hammer my point even further. So as you can see, like this video did not get picked up by the algorithm for months. So I uploaded it in April 23rd, and then I didn't get any consistent views until Friday, December. So that, do the math, I think that's 8 months of not getting views. So I just want to say it might take the YouTube algorithm a while to pick up your videos. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to take 8 months. I've had videos pop off in like a couple weeks, you know, like I started getting consistent views a week in. You know, it depends, but I want to just drive that home. Be patient, be consistent, and you will see growth. And then like number two, a trick that I like to use for search terms at least is, I actually should just go to a video I have right now in my queue, is I put the title in the description as well. So that doubles down on the search terms. It might help you drive your videos up higher, but this is all like minor things in the algorithm. Obviously your title is very important, and your thumbnail, because if you don't have a good thumbnail, people have no reason to click on your video. You need to draw the user attention for them to click on your video. So thumbnail and title are important, but how you word your title, I would say, is more important than, you know, creating like an all caps popping title. So there are some things called search engine optimization. You can pay for these services. I personally don't, but it'll tell you how optimized your title is. So you can type it in, and then it'll tell you how often this is searched, or maybe it's searched but there's not many videos for it, which would be ideal obviously, or other things like that. So these are tricks that I've seen used before. Also, something that's helped me grow this channel, and I won't keep rambling on for too long, but I have elements added to my videos. So I have an end screen. Let me just go play this on YouTube, because this has actually helped me gain subscribers, right? So if this would load already. Yeah, so here we go. I have a subscribe button in the bottom corner, which prompts users to subscribe, and at the end of my videos I also have an end screen with that provides users videos to click on and to subscribe to my channel. So these are two things that I've added that have helped boost my subscribers. I suggest you do the same with your videos, because once you just do it once, it's just a process you have to follow. You don't have to, like, the subscribe button in the bottom corner stays there no matter what. You just have to set it up once. And then the end screens, you can just click import from previous video, and that works as well. But yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it at that for today. I don't want to make this video too long. Let me know what you think of this style of video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.